Hey there, this is a business website that we created in the last video for transportation and logistic companies. You can watch the specific video, of course. So it has all the elements, all the features that you may wish to have at a business and professional website. Now, if we check the internal page, this is a page showing the company page. It has in the left sidebar, it has some elements, some navigation links. In fact, it has a left sidebar that I don't need on this page because this content is made for full width page. Somehow the left sidebar is coming and that I wish to remove. So this is very important, and by default when we will check the original demo of this theme, Morge has been used for your information. The original demo does not shows this left sidebar, so we need to manage this content arrangement and how it can be done. That I am going to show in this video. So you might be thinking, what is this? So it is simply how we can manage the widgets coming on a page or post, how we can manage the visibility of widgets. So this sidebar is coming using WordPress widgets, and widgets are very integral part of all WordPress websites. So you can find the widgets under appearance. I believe you know this, but there is an unexplored feature about the widgets which is generally not being considered. So widget is very important, and you can use these widgets for showing a specific content and set of content on pages, post, and anywhere on your WordPress website. So this is the main widget area which is being displayed on the pages. Like this is the transport solution, and this is the widget which is visible on the pages that I don't want, at least on this page. So this is the page, and okay, so page URL we need to fix. So I'll go to the dashboard. I am just changing the page URL just to make things easy to understand. Mainly, I am willing to show you how you can hide the widget elements on particular page and post. So this is important control that is already available in WordPress settings, but as I said, it is generally not being explored. So in the settings, let us fix the permalink structure first. It is not for a whole website. You might be using a correct permalink. So I'm just for making the page URL correct and fixing the permalink. Okay. So now I'm coming. Okay. On the same page, like let us go to the about us page. So this is a company page. URL is clearly showing the company page, and this is the left sidebar area that I wish to remove from this page, and it is coming from the widgets. And here is the widget. So in the primer phase, generally developers, what developer can do, they are going to remove all the elements included in this widget area, and the place, this place will be clear and vacant, but it will create a white space here if you are removing the widget elements from here, I mean in the widgets area. So how you are going to fix this? So as I said, by default, this theme does not show this left sidebar. Somehow it is coming, but we have to manage the content. So let us go for widget controls, visibility of widgets. Okay. So under appearance customize menu, if we can check, we have widgets again. So simply go to the widgets. Main widget area left, it is visible as I shown you. So this is here. And what we can do here, we can reorder the widget, or we can add a new widget here. So it is very simple. It is obvious. So I'm going to the page which we are targeting to remove. Okay. So this page is showing the transport solution and the widget area that we actually wish to remove from this page, company page, right? So what we can do, either we can directly go to the page and go to the widgets, like this is the edit mode option of the widget. So I just click on this pencil icon. Now I have the main widget area. and with the visibility control option. This is what I am willing to show you, which is not being generally used or not being explored by the developers. And it is a very common thing which is available. If your WordPress website using widgets, you have visibility control as well. Now I'll go to the this is transport solution. We can simply select the conditions. So either we can select the hide on low resolution. So it can be selected because when the page is being served on the low resolution devices, it can be hidden. Hide if the page conditions is here. So page is home. So it is on the home page. It is already hidden. So what I'll select, the page is company here. So I'm just talking about the transport solution. Now it is gone. Similarly, if we are selecting the page controls and this visit control, so visitability, and if the page is company, okay, so it is now removed. More than simple, I just removed the visit from the page, which was somehow assigned to the page. So I'm now closing the control, and now we'll go to the page and let us refresh this, and it is fine. Simple fix, but generally being not used by developers, and if you are new to WordPress, you might not be aware about these simple settings at the WordPress. WordPress gives us all the option. You just need to explore the option. You can really create wonderful business websites without any trouble. And this is here again, so we can control everything, and we can delete the things from the pages where we want, and we can add in multiple conditions here, like I shown you in the widget controls. You can add new controls and all. So I was saying, you have all the controls, you just need to explore. And when you are on this channel, you have all the options to explore, like themes, plugins, and how to guides are here. So you can go for creating a revolutionary website, and that is going to be more suitable for your business. And just in case, if you need any support, write in the comment or ping us on the I Create live chat. So we are always available for help and support. Just start making your dream website. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Don't miss to subscribe and pressing the bell button to get regular content from this channel. Thank you.